So over here on the left hand side, you can see that there are a lot of chats. And let's say what I actually want to do is I want to go ahead and clone these particular chats so that I can keep the original chat as it is, and then I can continue working on a copy of this chat right here. In that case, you can simply go ahead and click on more button right here and click on clone. Once you do that, you can see that a clone of this particular chat has been created. So now what you can do is you can go around onto more and rename out the chat as you like as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say app framework right here, just like this. And now I can simply go ahead and say, now create similar framework for a video game company right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, now Qwen will actually generate out the app framework for a video game company. So now you can see that the original chat, however, is left untouched. If I were to go ahead and let me just leave anyway, you can see that it stays untouched right here. And that is how you can go ahead and clone out the chat as you like inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.